In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the Smart Compose feature in Gmail. Whether you want to streamline your email composition process without predictive text or simply prefer to write your messages without any AI assistance, we'll walk through this together step by step. Let's get started by opening Gmail. You'll want to go to your web browser, type in https://mail.google.com and hit enter. This will bring you straight to the Gmail login page. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign into your account using your email credentials. Once you're in your inbox, our next step is to open the settings menu. To do this, look towards the upper right corner of the page and locate the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to all the settings you can customize in Gmail. Give it a click and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Here you'll want to select the option that says See All Settings. Clicking this will open up a new page full of various settings you can tweak. Now, let's focus on the Smart Compose settings. You'll find these within the General tab, which should be the default tab that opens. If not, go ahead and click on General at the top. Once you're in the General settings, scroll down a bit until you spot Smart Compose. This feature is designed to assist you by providing writing suggestions as you type out an email. You'll notice two choices here: writing suggestions on, which is the default setting, and writing suggestions off. If you've decided you want to disable these suggestions, simply select writing suggestions off. By doing this, you've turned off the Gmail autofill feature, meaning that Gmail will no longer offer predictions or complete sentences while you compose your messages. This can be especially helpful if you feel that the suggestions are distracting or if you just enjoy composing emails without assistance. Finally, and this is a crucial step to ensure your changes are preserved, scroll down to the very bottom of the settings page. Here you'll find a Save Changes button. Make sure you click on it. Only by saving your changes will Gmail apply your new settings. Once you've done that, you're all set. Smart Compose will remain turned off unless you decide to re-enable it in the future. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Smart Compose in Gmail. This adjustment can make your emailing experience feel more personal and less interrupted if you prefer crafting your messages from start to finish. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful,